Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a new playlist for your YouTube channel, or if you want to remove a one by using your YouTube Creator Studio, we can remove that one too with the YouTube Studio app. So first of all, open your YouTube app, then at the top right corner, click there. That's the very number one step, and after that on your channel. Here you will see all the information about regarding your channel, like at home you have how many videos and views, playlists, channels which you have connected to your account turned out. So here we are. Here we have all the videos. These are the playlist. We can't make a one from here. So what you have to do after opening the YouTube app, top right corner, your channel, right at the bottom right, as you can see. Then there is the option of library. That's the number three step. You have to click there, and then there's the new playlist from where you can make a new playlist for your new videos. So here it will ask for to add any videos to your new playlist. If you want to add, you can add any one of them, or just you can skip this part and click on the next. Give a title like etc etc. I'm going to show you how. So make it private, and I'm going to show you how to remove that one. Now for now, if you want to add any video on your new playlist, you can add by clicking on these three dots of any video and then click on the add to the playlist. Okay, now we have to open the YouTube Studio app. There we can remove our mistakenly made playlist. As you can see, we can't remove from here. There is not any option. I was having so much troubles. So open the YouTube Studio. So I decided to make that there should be a short tutorial on this. Then here we are. You have to go for the playlist at the bottom right corner. Click on that playlist which you want to remove and click on it. Ta-da! Simple. And delete playlist. That's it. Please like and subscribe and share. As you can see, there is no more that playlist. We have just removed that playlist. Please like my video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you so much guys. See ya.